Okay guys, so this video will be doing question number 2. So question number 2 mentioned that a committee of 5 people, okay, to be selected from 6 men and 4 women. Okay, so I believe some of you remember this how to solve this question and some of you might not. So I'll just do a bit of recap and then we go into the question first. So actually this one talk about NPR and NCR. So how do we determine whether this question is talking about NPR or NCR? Okay, so in usually if you want to use NPR, you have to search for the keyword mentioning that either order or arrange. Okay, and then to use NCR, it's either you use select or choose, so it's either one of it. Okay, so in the event if you see this keyword select, then use NCR, or choose, use NCR. And if you see order or arrange, then use NPR. And then there's another one thing that I would like to share here, or we can call a recap session. If the situation requests you to do a AND situation, I'll talk about this later in the question. It'll be much easier to understand. To do AND situation, you have to perform multiplication, and if it's an OR situation, you perform addition. Okay, so we straight go into the question. So for the question Roman 1, clearly they mention number of different way a committee can be selected, okay, without any condition. That means they want the committee to have a total of 5 people, and they clearly mention the keyword is selected. Okay, so the keyword has been highlighted, selected, and they sit down form 5 people. They didn't give you any sort of order or rules. Okay, so it's up to us lah. So it can be more men or more women or anything. So our idea is we want to make sure we select 5 people from this committee. Okay, so this committee made up of total of 10 people. How we know 10 people? Because 6 plus 4. So from these 10 people, I would like to choose 5 people. Okay, I repeat again, from this 10 I would like to choose 5. Why I choose? Because the question itself already mentioned selected. So if you use 10C5, you press in your calculator, it will give you 252. So these are the number of orders that you can do to find the solve the problem lah. Okay, so for Roman 2, they mentioned the number of this selection with more women than men. Okay, so I will just write here first, woman, okay, should be more, and then man should be lesser. Okay, so keep in your mind we want to form a committee of 5 people. So maybe I can start with, can I start with 5 women or not? Let me just write the total here. We have total 4 women and 6 men. So they already say I want to start with women more than men. So can I start with 5 or not? You can't, because you have total 4 women. So we start with 4 women first, and then maybe we add 1 man. That's 1. Or you have another option. You can put 3 women, 2 men. Okay, and then can we instead put here for an example, can we put like 2 women and 3 men? It really nullify the law, because the law says woman must be more than men. In this situation, woman is lesser, so this one is not valid. So let me just write this in a better form. So you see, it can be either 4 women and 1 man, or 3 women and 2 men. Okay, so as I mentioned just now, n means you multiply. So for this, out of 4 women, I choose 4, and out of 6 men, I choose 1. Okay, or means what do? I plus, so I add here, and then out of 4 women, I choose 3. So 4 choose 3, and because you see and you multiply, out of 6 men, I choose 2. So 6C2. So this operation you can press in your calculator, and you will get the answer as 66. Okay, so I'll attach this into the file. You can chat in your Zoom chat box. So please return back the Zoom session now. Thank you.